Hello friends, welcome to Spicy Flavors. Today I'm going to cook for you chicken potato curry. I've made this recipe several times. I just love it. It's cheaper to cook at home than eat outside. The ingredients for this are 3 pounds of bone-in chicken which has been washed. The skin has been taken off and chopped. Here I've got 3 potatoes diced, 2 tomatoes, 2 onions sliced, and 3 green chilies. I also have cilantro to garnish. This looks very pretty. So let's get cooking. Let's add a little bit of salt to the onions. Salt basically dehydrates the onions and that would make them brown a little faster. Let's cook the tomatoes till they're nice and juicy. The rice is almost done. The holes that you see on the rice is basically telling you that all the water has evaporated and it's time to lower the flame. After the rice is done, I just like to add a little bit of butter to get a nice buttery flavor. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, since we have quite a bit of chicken there to cook. You could cook this for about 2 minutes for the raw flavor of garlic to go away. Wow, look at the rice, nice and fluffy. This is how you make rice, friends. I wasn't smart enough to judge how much chicken would the pressure cooker take. It just turned out to be too small, so I had to transfer it to a bigger pan. Not really smart, I guess. Let's add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Here I have chicken curry masala. You would get this in an Indian grocery store, and a little bit of salt. We'll give this a good mix and garnish it with coriander. This is turning out to be really good. Do you get all the flavors? It smells really good. Cooking is fun. It's a hobby for me. When I cook, it comes out good. It's very satisfying. If it doesn't, not very happy about it. Let's add a little bit of water. Don't add too much water because the chicken itself oozes lots of water. We can let this cook for about 15 minutes and just check in the middle to see if the chicken is done. Wow, this has come out delicious, friends. If you love the video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel.